Well, it all looks quite wonderful, but whenever I've come into a showroom like this, I've never been able to work out exactly what it will look like in my own home. After all, a complete kitchen redecoration is a costly business, and people do like to see what they're getting for their money. And competition within the trade is very tough. But now, many showrooms like this one are discovering a powerful new tool, a reliable, cheap machine which is transforming the trade.
As new programs, called software, are developed, the use of computers is spreading throughout the business world, both large and small. And KDS 5000 now provides the many benefits of a computer specifically for the kitchen industry by giving you computer-aided design and costing capability.
And you don't have to be a computer whiz kid to learn how to use it. What's more, customers love it, so it could be used as a sales aid. There's nothing like seeing a new kitchen appearing before your very eyes. And being computer-driven means that any changes can be made quickly and easily. You don't have to go back to the drawing board. There are three main stages in the computer's operation. The first involves entering all relevant information concerning the customer and the range. The computer allows you to check every entry before storing it safely on disk. If the information stored on the screen needs changing, you simply type in the new details and accept the information as correct by pressing the Y key. That's what happens if you press a wrong key. The computer safeguards against elementary mistakes. The program works on a standard menu system. The computer automatically knows which manufacturer it's working with by scanning the disk in use. Leading manufacturers' catalogues are available, and Beaufort is continually adding to the list, as well as enhancing the program based on market research.
Other information needed at this stage includes the door style, carcass color, and the size of the units. The computer now has sufficient information concerning the customer and range selection, and you can now start designing. Restore allows you to recall a previous design, but to start from scratch, press C. Now simply type in the maximum room width and depth. This is when the screen becomes a drawing board. The function options are displayed on the screen. The top section lists 8 different views which can be called up at any stage. The last 6 can be seen at any angle. First, you have to design the shape of the room by placing individual walls. The computer will need to know the angle of rotation. Imagine the top of the screen is 0 degrees, the right 90 degrees, the bottom 180 degrees, and all angles in between, like the points of a compass. Now position the wall using the hand control unit. An item can be moved at 3 different speeds: very fast, in 10mm steps, or 1mm at a time. You'll notice that as the item moves, the numbers around the edge of the screen change to show its position relative to the overall size of the room, so you always know exactly where it is. Repeat this process until all walls are in the right position, and use the same process to position doors, windows, and any other fixtures. It's easier to design with the plan view, but you can view the design at any stage in a variety of views and angles. Individual units can now be positioned anywhere within the room and at any height. Each unit is called up by using its unique reference as designated by the manufacturer. At the same time as bringing the unit onto the screen, it's storing cumulative costing information of the design. If the customer wants to change the design, Then simply delete the items as necessary and reposition them or replace with other units. Items deleted are also automatically taken out of the costing calculations. Whilst the plotter is finishing the final drawing, you can enter the last stage of the program, costing. Enter relevant details of the customer and design, such as references, delivery date, VAT coding, and the sales code, which gives total flexibility of the price level of units chosen for the design. All units can be called onto the screen, and there's the flexibility to change the code, description, price, and VAT details of individual items. Other items, such as accessories and appliances, can be added as used within the design, which will then be included in the overall quote.
And if the customer turns pale at the quote, you can quickly and easily recost the design by specifying a different range. Of course, the customer won't know exactly what he's got until it's been installed, but there's no doubt that pictures produced by the computer are far easier for a layman to understand than a conventional plan drawing. Although the computer may never replace the highly skilled draftsman, the benefits of KDS 5000 to your current operations are numerous and significant. It produces drawings of various views quickly and easily, which can be understood by the layman. Drawings can also show detailed information, such as unit dimensions, beneficial for ordering and installation purposes. It automatically produces costings quickly and accurately, with the facility to recost in different price groups and at any level if required. The system eliminates elementary errors and is accurate to 1 millimeter. It's reliable, easy, and flexible to use, and doesn't require design or computer experience to use. It provides greater speed, accuracy, and efficiency in processing orders. The printout can be in a format of your own design, suitable for customer quotations and suppliers' orders. It provides improved efficiency and utilization of staff resources, enabling design and sales staff to respond more quickly to inquiries, giving greater freedom to process extra business. And of course, the same equipment can be used for numerous other business functions, such as accounts or word processing, with added software. But you'll probably find it so popular as a design aid that you might just end up by asking Beaufort Microsystems for a second one.